Coordinates 24D5001.1 end, 93 Located at the foothills of the Langol Range in Imphal West, Manipur, this site sits on a compact 45 by 40 foot plot nestled on an east-facing slope. It lies within a semi-urban fringe of Tarung Village, quiet, elevated and naturally protected. The terrain gently inclines eastward, allowing ideal natural drainage and excellent exposure to the morning sun. This orientation supports passive heating, daylighting, and optimal positioning of living areas. The site is surrounded by dense nat vegetation, including bamboo groves, wild shrubs, ferns, and forest species native to northeast India. This proximity to greenery supports thermal buffering, visual serenity, and privacy. Climatically, the region receives over 1,500 millimeters of rainfall annually, with peak monsoon from May to September. The humidity is high and winters are mild. These conditions require designs that prioritize ventilation, overhangs, and raised plinths. The soil appears to be a mix of clayey loam with top humus layers from nearby vegetation. The water table rises significantly during monsoons, making waterproofing and robust surface drainage essential. Prevailing winds come from the southwest during summer and northeast during winter. The site's forest buffer helps calm high wind speeds while providing natural cooling. Cross-ventilation planning is highly recommended. A natural surface runoff follows the site's slope. It's advisable to integrate peripheral stone-lined drains and on-site rainwater harvesting to reduce erosion and make use of abundant rainfall. Access is through a narrow village lane with low vehicular traffic. Entry should ideally be from the eastern or southeastern edge, offering gentle slope entry and optimal privacy. Ecologically, the site holds great potential for native landscaping. Use of rhododendrons, orchids, flowering shrubs, and bamboo fencing will enrich both aesthetics and sustainability. Overall, the site is highly favourable for low-rise, climate-responsive residential development, offering privacy, natural light, scenic backdrops, and excellent ecological integration.